Daytime you're fine, but night? Cough city. Let's fix that. Problem. Lying flat lets mucus pool in your throat. Postnasal drip sneaks up. Reflux sneaks up. Dry bedroom air makes your airway irritable, so coughing spikes. Elevate your head with an extra pillow to help drainage. Run a cool mist humidifier to stop dryness. Avoid heavy meals right before bed. Avoid dairy right before bed. Try a spoon of honey for adults. Or use saline spray to clear nasal drip. Relief. These simple swaps often calm the night cough within days. Still coughing hard? Short of breath? Coughing blood? Get checked. Don't wait. Sleep better tonight.